Oh, he just didn't put his cart back. Oh my god! Oh, y'all, that is next level petty. Kinda respect it. Oh my god. That is kind of amazing. Look. Dude, this is like clearly a cop that got made like literally like parking lot duty, and this is like next level petty. This is my kind of petty. Oh, he still didn't put it away though. He still didn't put it away though. Oh my god! Oh my god! You have to drive it back up again. Oh my god, that's funny. Oh. Dude, this is the pettiest thing I've ever seen. He still didn't put him away. It's not even... Oh, at least he blocked it from hitting the car. He's got some sense of... He's got enough... You guys, this is the funniest thing I've seen. So this guy keeps taking carts and he won't put them away. Like, over there. And this, like, mall cop, I think, just keeps blocking him in. You can't figure it out. This is the best, this is the pettiest thing I've ever seen happen. Is this guy trying to back up again? Is he gonna do it again? See it again! I'm dead. Look at this, bro. Put the card away, man. Tina, oh my god, I can't. Like he's oh my god. Is he gonna? He's gonna make it. Ah!